Do I really want to take my boat out? Do I really want to take the boat? I don't know why this thing's not focusing, but there we go. Alright, guys. Take the boat out? Would you risk it? Welcome to Florida. I'm not sure, I'll try to zoom in, but maybe you can see right there Mr. Alligator swimming in the water. Yeah. So this is like the third day we've been here, and they've been out there. So as much as I love my boat, I'm not going to risk it. You can probably see there's like lily pads that go halfway out. I'm pretty sure it's safe down the middle. Who knows? But what if I'm going 50 miles an hour and I hit him because I don't see him? Like, you barely see. Something else just popped out of the water. And then there's like a whole lot of this like grass, whatever. So what if I go out this way and the prop gets caught up or it gets snagged in something? I don't think it's worth my life to run the RC boat. But let me know what you think. What would you do if there's like no alligators? Would you run it? So instead, we're running the Omni Terminator. Check it out. This is the first time running it on the Dumbo. Oh man, the steering is back. Oh, I think I already set this up once with the getting old sucks and you need these things. So there we go. Ooh. Yeah, so check it out. This is my first time actually. With the exception of a small test drive, this is the first time me actually driving it with the Dumbo. Oh no! And you know what? I'm not going to look back either. I just dislike that factory remote. This thing, I just turn that knob and I have gyro. I mean, look, too easy. I can adjust it on the fly. So if I'm doing jumps, I can just turn that down and we're good. And I have lights still. I just can't turn them on and off. So that's the only downside, which I don't care about. I mean, I don't know why I'd want to turn the lights off anyhow. Ooh, I tell you what, man, this thing just has such a plush little suspension on it. I want to see if maybe, oh yeah. Oh man, the gnats are horrible. Oh no. Uh-oh, we lost the battery. Man, that'd be like my biggest complaint with this thing, is just this freaking battery compartment, just ridiculous. That doesn't hold anything in. Oh my, wow, look at all these gnats. Oh, that sucks. Let's see. Maybe if I run it through that. I doubt it, but oh, jeez Louise, man. Man, I really do like this RC. You know, especially for something like this when you're traveling and maybe space is limited and you just want to bring something to have fun. I mean, you got that with this, and it's, you know, pretty capable RC. Let's see. You know, here we were ripping through some, this is some deep grass too. Not sure if you all can see, like, and you know, it can handle this gravel stuff. Probably not as good as the Mojave, but ooh, yeah, I think it sits a little high, but whoa, give me a little bit more. Oh, oh. I mean, it's taking this, but I don't think I would push too much on this stuff. It's like, looks like it's really beating this thing up. I don't know, maybe not. Look at the thing. Oh no! No, no, no! Oh good, self-recovery. Thank you. Oh, that'd have been horrible if I had to walk all the way down that far. Ah. Ah. Omni Terminator. Ooh, people in the grass. Yeah, see, that's the problem with these lighter scale RCs. They don't handle some of this as good as the larger ones, but they're still fun. They're still fun to come out here. Jeez. Oops. No, that's all. I need to find a good place to... I forgot where I left off. Man, I was talking to somebody here, but yeah, man, everybody loves RC, man. Seeing the cars run around, and because you know what, it's unfortunate because the hobby is just, it's kind of forgotten about and dead. That's why I try to push people to get in the hobby and buy stuff. That's why it's great. Like this car, 250 bucks, ready to run. I mean, it comes with the remote, battery, I think the charger, which granted, that battery wasn't really worth the flip. So I got that Z pack in here, which really woke this thing up. But yeah, man, people love seeing RC cars and all kinds of stuff. Man, they probably flip out. They see the boat out there running 50 miles an hour. That would be freaking awesome, but you know, I don't feel like being an alligator's dinner. But yeah, you know, this is why I like having different RC cars, like the Mojave. It's kind of big, you know, it takes a lot of space, which we kind of had here, but this is a really fun car to travel with, do stuff, have some fun. You know, you don't need a whole lot of room to run this thing. Like I said, it's pretty capable for the price. It's really hard to beat this thing. Oops. I guess I need to stop jumping off of these things. But yeah, the Terminator, fun little RC, man. And for the price point, it is really hard. Look at that wheelie bar. Yeah. Oh shit, it's really... Well, I got a new bar at home. I guess we'll be fixing that when I get home. Ooh. Trying to flush out some gators. Might thicken up that center diff, because like those front tires are really ballooning. Well guys, hope you enjoy, like, you know, we go camping and run these RCs in different spots and crash them into big wooden things, because I'm paying attention to all the gnats in my face. Oh, all right everyone, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. I got the grill going. We got to cook some steaks for dinner. Yeah, man, let me know what you think. You enjoy we go camping, bringing the RC cars and giving you a little different scenery to wow, I just ran that thing into another pole before I break this thing. Let me know what you think of the camping, the RC camping adventures. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. We'll see you on the next one.